Hi guys! In today's video, kakain kami dito sa masarap na kainan sa South. Yan ang kanilang seafood station, iba-ibang klase. Tapos, mayroon din ditong Quesadilla station. Ayan, masarap ito guys. At saka, mayroon silang pasta station. Ayan guys, marami kayong pagpipilian dito. Dessert section, assorted pastries, chocolate brownies with velvet, assorted strawberry shortcake, pandesal. This is the main course: steamed rice, vegetable fried rice, potato, spinach cream dory, apple maple chicken, and beef stew. And the other one is ito naman yung fresh fruits. Salad. Salad station. Drinks and coffee. Crepe station. Pudding. Roast beef and
chicken.
And the other one.
Whole chicken, potato gapan.
Okay. Salad.
Wow.
Fresh salad. Romaine lettuce. Sige, kuha ka pa. One and yan, spinach cream dory, apple chicken, apple maple chicken, and beef stew. Stew.